Good day, family. It is your boy once again, Mr. Paul SA, the CEO and founder of Currecies. I'm back with another video this week. This is the weekly market breakdowns that I upload here on YouTube. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button. Please watch till the end and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Also turn on the notification button so that whenever I post, YouTube may notify you. So guys, this week I'll be analyzing Euro USD, NZDUSD and US30. For more updates, please join the Telegram group because I'll be also evolving the markets on the Telegram group. And please don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. Instagram, yes, it's CrowFX underscore, it's Crow underscore FX underscore. So I'll be also sharing analysis on my Telegram page, and also like any updates that I'll be having, I'll be also sharing it on my stories on Instagram. So do the most, guys. Please do follow my social media platforms and join the high channels, and yeah, you'll be good. So guys, let's jump into the charts. Okay guys, we are now on the screens. You are now on the screens and you're looking at Euro USD. We're looking at Euro USD. So let's just go to our monthly time frame, and as you're doing a multi-time frame analysis and see what we can get. So over here on Euro USD monthly chart, I can see where the market is actually turned. I can see that the market is turned over here, and it's quite like a good support. It's quite a good support, it's quite a good support. So before anything, we can see that the market is approaching this support. We can see that the market is approaching this support. So but let's just go into deeper analysis. Let's just go into a deeper analysis, and you can see a pattern that was playing out over here. Let's just see how it looks. Okay, okay. Something interesting here that I'm seeing, you can see a first touch, a second touch, and a third touch, and a breakout, and a bit of a retest, and the market is going up. But it's not clear on this bigger time frame, so we'll just go on a smaller time frame and see how it looks. Let's just go to H4 time frame and see how it looks. So you can see this part was the retest. So actually the market has a lot of momentum onto the bullish side. Let's just see what you can get from here. But I can see a beautiful setup over here. Can see a beautiful pattern over here. Okay guys, I can see a very beautiful pattern over here that has already formed, and also you can see, Let's just adjust this one. Okay, so I can see a very beautiful pattern over here, guys, and also inside of the pattern I can also see another pattern that has already formed. Because one thing I'm going to tell you is the market is always giving us opportunities. The market is always giving us opportunities. It's just that we must have that eye to see all those patterns that the market is giving us, and all those signs that the market is giving us. So I just want to find out, why did the market turn on that level? But we'll just go on a smaller time frame and see where the market has done that. But as you can see also, as you can see, the market has gave us another patterning pattern and a breakout over here. Then yes, I could have taken my trade over here, but I'll just wait for a better confirmation. Let's just go to our 1 hour time frame, guys. Okay, on our 1 hour time frame, the pattern is much clearer and everything is just much clearer. So we can see that over here we have a double top. We have a double top over here. So that was another confirmation, which this was a risk entry. If I would have taken this trade from over here, to our 90% rule, which is over here, and with a bit of a stop of over here, it's a stop of about 30 pips. I would have gained like it's about 100 pips. It's about 100 pips with a 1:3 risk ratio, which is a very good trade. It's a very good trade. But yet, I teach the community that these are just risk entries. So it just depends on a person, if his or her trading plan just goes there with this kind of setups. But I would have taken this trade. I would have taken this trade. Or better wait for a better confirmation over here after the breakout. It's at least a reduced risk entry. But there's another thing that we focus on, that is new now, that we focus on, which we wait. Even if it's a breakout, the trade might just break out and play out like this, then play its way up again. So like you see, as the pattern is impulsing down, it might just play a game, come back, come back, come back, and give us what? An arc, a bigger double top. Then that's when it can take its move down. So we deal with different confirmations, because here right now I don't see a better confirmation after this breakout. I don't see a better confirmation. So I would wait at least after the breakout, another small, about 6 to 8 hours, tight flag. Then after it, I will take the trade. But let's just go to M15 and see how on M15 maybe I can find the small tight flag that I'm looking for. So on M15 we have to adjust our trend line, because as you can see, we must just always evolve with the market. So on M15 we have a bit of an arc, because the bigger two touches, bigger M, and we have just a small information over here. Then the market gets here and it creates a small channel. I don't know if you can see it, but let me just indicate it for you. We have a small channel. This is where I would have taken my trade. So basically, this small tight channel, it confirms this. It's just a confirmation of this. It's just like if I can remove this, if I can remove this one, and make a channel out of this one, and after the breakout, this is a retest, I take my trade down, saying that I take my trade over here after the retest to my take profit. So Guys, this is a reduced risk entry. So this is just a confirmation of the reduced risk entry. So I would have taken the trade because it has a better confirmation, which you wouldn't see it on a bigger time frame. You wouldn't see it on H1 time frame. Uh, you had to just go to a bit of a smaller time frame to see those kind of patterns. You get me, guys? So this is the analysis of Euro USD. But yet I didn't tell you what to expect, isn't it? Okay. So most of the time when the market impulse, we work with a three-step called impulse, correction, and impulse. So as you can see, the market it's impulsing downwards. It's impulsing downwards, and it broke the channel with an impulsive way. So right here, it's about to approach our 90% rule. I'm expecting a sort of a correction. It might be a steep correction, it might be a small type correction, but I don't think it can appear right here because with my experience, nothing like that happens. Then after the correction, that's when I can see. But I'm expecting a correction. There's no way there won't be a correction. The market just can't just turn over here and and just change the direction unless if it's going up it's going to create a bit of a double bottom, just for a bit of a confirmation, but a pattern must be created. So I'm expecting a bit of a correction, then take profit over here, then just get itself onto the bigger 90% rule, which if we're going to take our trade after the break, maybe after the break of the previous low, which is the 90% rule, saying we're taking our trade from there, then to our 90% rule of the bigger channel, it's about 134 pips profit, and with a bit of a stop loss of, let's just not risk a lot, but over here, yeah, over here, no, no, it's quite a big one. So just over here, 41 pips. It's quite a big one, and but it's still on our side with the 1,3 risk ratio. It's still on our side with the 1,3 risk ratio, gaining at least 134 pips out of this. And it's just the first trade that you take on a beautiful Monday, but only if the market can respect our choices and can respect uh, the things that we are actually forecasting on here. So we're just looking at the market just taking itself out here, like just giving us a correction that will take a bit longer, but like just breaking it and breaking this previous low and just taking itself into the trade with a bit of a correction. Then down we go, corrections, then we go, guys. So this is the forecasting of the Euro USD. I hope you see and you know what to expect on Euro USD. Uh, let's just go to the next pair, which is NZDUSD. Okay, we are on NZDUSD. Let's just start from our high time frame, which is the 1 month time frame. Whoa, whoa, guys, I can see something over here, and which is amazing. Like, when I just opened this chart, I just saw something very beautiful over here. Yes. Wow, 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 wow. Guys, this is a very beautiful thing. The market, it shows how much uh, bullish momentum we have on NZDUSD. It's quite a lot, guys. It's quite a lot because as you can see here, there was a beautiful correction and a breakout and also a retest. So it shows how much the market is still gonna go up. Then I can see, because I'm expecting this market to just go up, take itself up till our 90% rule over here. Don't forget, guys, look here. It's a monthly chart. It's a monthly chart, guys. It's a monthly chart, and yet we're seeing a very beautiful pattern like this with a breakout, with a retest. It shows how much the momentum is going up. So already I can tell you that I'm expecting the market to hit our take profit over here. Let's just see how much pips are they. but yet you must go to the lower time frame and see an entry. So saying that we enter from here just to our take profit, yeah, saying that we enter from here just to our 90% rule. Wow, this is a very beautiful trade, guys, that we can anticipate on. A very beautiful trade that we can anticipate on. uh I'll just keep you updated. Don't forget to join the Telegram group, guys. So with the stop loss just right here, 1:3, we are risking 1:3. This is our risk ratio, 1:3, gaining 412 pips, guys. Gaining 412 pips on this trade. Imagine if we took it over here. Imagine if we saw it over here. So, guys, NZDUSD is looking so much good. It's looking so much good. Let's just go to the lower time frame, H4 at least. I think we'll be able to see it very well and see the trade that we can anticipate on, because when we are on the like on the monthly time frame, we won't see any trade over there. So I can see a very beautiful pattern that has already formed over here, and it was broken. It's like broke out and a retest, just went up, 90% rule hit. And wait a minute, I see a money pattern. Money pattern is spotted again, guys. Money pattern is spotted. If you don't know what's a money pattern, just go back to my videos. I've uploaded a Nasdaq video. This is a Nasdaq strategy video where I explain it, but there will be an update onto the Nasdaq strategy video. So wait, guys, I can see something very beautiful that is about to form over here, and something that we can take a trade from, because this is where the market have actually hit it, have actually rejected and turned. Then it came over here, went up and broke its previous high, and now it's trying to retest its previous high to go up. So I'm expecting to take this trade just from here, just right from here, guys, just right from here. I'm expecting to take this trade just right from here, right from here, with my take profit being here, 412 pips, and my stop loss being just right here. My stop loss is about 37 pips with a gain of 411 pips. It's 1:10 risk ratio. This is one of the greatest trades. If this trade goes well, guys, and we anticipate on it, it will be the best trade that we started with in 2020. In 2021, guys, this is a very good trade that we can anticipate on, guys. I'm not sure if you can see what I'm seeing over here, but this is cool, guys. This is cool. So right here, I'm just expecting like a bit of a correction, type correction, just to tackle itself to the to actually retesting, then taking the trade upwards, guys, taking the trades up. And also we can look into, like, I can see that there was an OB that was created over here. For a better confirmation, we can wait for a break of this OB, or most definitely what I can see here is the market can now trigger itself up to the OB and retest on this OB, and then come back over here to give us a double a double bottom, a double retest onto the money pattern, because the money pattern is it has a more confirmation where when there is two touches, when there is two rejections, then we see a move upwards. So this is beautiful what I'm seeing on NZDUSD, guys. Very beautiful. What I'm seeing over here, it's amazing. It's just amazing, guys. It's just amazing. It's a good trade that we can anticipate on. And okay, as we go to a smaller time frame, you can see as we break down the market, guys, You can see as you break down the market, you just patiently do so. You just patiently do so. This is FX, guys. This is FX. It's an institution. It's a financial institution that helps and also coaches individuals and also companies to trade the financial markets profitably. So over here we have a beautiful pattern that has been created, a nice beautiful pattern that has been created over here. And with this pattern being created over here, we got a breakdown on this pattern, and it's now coming to our 90% rule. It has already even hit our 90% rule, and it's about to turn to just give us a retest over it and onto the into what our OB. OB stands for a breaker. It's just a breaker, It's an order breaker. It's an order breaker. So waiting for the market to reject our order breaker, and we're looking at it coming onto here to reject this breakout, and then coming to this level to give us what, a double bottom. Then we're going up. This is the breakdown, guys, of our NZD USD. Let's just see our M50. Maybe we can see something more beautiful, something more clearer. So as you can see, the pattern is much clearer over here. You can see we have the pattern very clear of first touch, second touch, third touch. It even gave us a bit of a fourth touch, then a breakout. It's a very beautiful breakout because it was impulsive. It was a very beautiful one. Then the market is just doing a playing around here. So guys, let's just go to the last thing, the last pair that we're going to analyze, and this is gonna be an index, and I'm taking US30. I'm taking US30, and on US30 I'm just going for H1. I don't need to go on 1 month and all. No, I just love scalping this one. Okay, over here I can see, guys, there's a beautiful W that has been created over here. I can see, and I can see also that the market, there was a 10 over here. There was a 10 over here. Okay, so beautifully so, I can see there was a 10 over there, and the market actually broke the previous high. The market actually broke the neck. The market broke the neck, and it broke the neck impulsively. It broke the neck impulsively. So from this, let's just do some a bit of trading mathematics. So from this, guys, I can say I'm expecting a money pattern. I'm just expecting a money pattern. I'm expecting a money pattern because, as you can see, we have a bit of a breaker, or I can say a zone. We have a very beautiful zone over there. We have a very beautiful zone over here. And the rule still states that after every impulsive move, we have a correction and an impulsive move. And so we expecting that the market may go up there, né? Because as you can see here also we have a double top, or we are just waiting to see what the market does. We're just waiting to see what the market does. But over here, as you can see, over one touch, I was saying that the market will retest, and then here the market closed. So we're just waiting to see what happens over here. We're just waiting to see what happens over. But as I focused, I see that the market is just gonna correct itself to our to retest on our money pattern, and just trigger itself up again and give us a second retest, then shoot up. But don't forget, this goes along with Nasdaq. This goes almost the same as Nasdaq 100. So, but I feel like US30 is a bit slow, and it's a bit analyzable, and also you can have great gains from it. Actually, you can have great gains from it. And I also see something over here on US30. I see that there was a pattern, so this is also the other reason why the market has given us such an impulsive move. So there was a correction over here. The market just came impulsively down and gave us a retest over it. Just gave, it's not even a retest. It just turned. Then that's when we put our support. Then correctively went down to just give us a bit of a double bottom, and it broke our correction. Then impulsively it went up, so it broke our 90% rule. We're expecting it to come back to uh, retest our 90% rule and just trigger itself again up. So we can see we have a lot of momentum onto the buy side. Or if it does not do that, it might just even just correct over here, then shoot up. So we are on M15 time frame. Let's just see uh what we can actually see over this time frame, on this time frame. Nothing more. It's just that this time frame is a bit clearer. Nothing more. It's just that it's a bit clearer. Yes, it's just a bit clearer. Wow, it broke very nice, guys. It broke very nice and very neat. So if we were to take, if we saw that trade and we took a trade from over here after the break, which will be over here to our 90% rule, we got about 80 pips, 80 pips, with a stop loss of just right after, just right here, 50 pips. So it's about, yeah, it's about 1 is to 1,5. Like, it's not a good risk ratio, but yeah, I wouldn't take that trade. I wouldn't take the trade. That's why I'm waiting for a correction, then I will take a trade. I'm waiting for the market to correct itself down. Just like this part, guys. Just like that part. Let me show you how it can turn out. I just wanna show you how it can turn out. So guys, this is what can literally happen. This is what can literally happen. The market after here, it can trigger itself down here and just become a money pattern. And from there, we'll be able to take our trade from there to our stop loss just being like over here 34 pips, and our first take profit being over here is about 80, is about 90 pips. Yeah, 90 pips, which is 1,2, 1,2, yeah, 1 is to 2,6 risk ratio. And let's just go, I want to go to a bigger time frame and see where will this actually end. Something that's actually supporting it. If there's nothing actually supporting this, there's nothing actually supporting it. So if it has a buy momentum, we'll just use our strategy, which we will trail stop. It's called trail stopping. We'll just trail stop, put stop loss behind our trades, and just go with it. Hold it till it just hits our stop loss. But we gain big gains. So guys, this is the market breakdown. This is the market breakdown by Mr. Paul Shilajua, the founder and CEO of FOREX. It was really a pleasure, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends and family, turn on the notification button, and also tag us on Instagram. Tag us on Instagram, give us all shout outs, guys. Follow us and do the most, guys. Do the most for more analysis, more videos. I'll be uploading, more content will come. It is your boy, Paul Shilajwe. I'm out. Yes, sir.